Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on the VIVO V60E. Let's begin! There are actually two different ways of fixing the possible screen flickering. The very basic one is to simply start changing the brightness values. If we go into display and if we lower the brightness, you can see a little glitching effect. It's not very visible, but it is there. So if you think like you want to get rid of it well, first of all, if you're recording your screen, you probably want to switch to the camera lenses, right? To the same that you have your refresh rate set on your device. And also disabling the auto brightness usually helps, though I know that many people argue if it does really help or not. It's completely up to you. However, the best way for you to really have full control of your brightness is to scroll all the way down and then enter shortcuts and accessibility. Now you want to start scrolling one more time down into accessibility, and finally we can scroll all the way down into screen dimmer and we can enable it, though as you can see it is technically other application which will automatically dim your screen, and that's pretty funny because technically we don't really have to use that. Instead we can just use the extra dim which we have right here, and as you can see I've only enabled it, and now my current brightness is actually slightly lower than it was, and we can, as you can see the difference on the tutorial, and we even have the way to changing the brightener or to darker. And now I hope that you can see fully how the glitching flickering effect can be seen. And if we lower our brightness even more, well, it's not even visible on the camera, so yeah, that's pretty funny. So I will disable the dim and I will adjust the brightness. And yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.